Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y01 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply enter the settings and find the option connected to the battery. Let's tap on it. As you can see right here on the 4th position we've got battery percentage option, so all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. And as you can see, actually immediately next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your VIVO Y01. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.